channel. I am Maria, aka agapelovegirl. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm back with a new get the look tutorial for this eye look. It's a pretty simple, quick look. I know it's nothing like original. I'm sorry. It's another warm smoky eye leaning towards those red and gold tones. I'm sorry. I want to do something really fun, like with green or blue or purple or something really springy and fun. I just didn't really have the time today because I'm kind of doing a few other videos. I'm doing a foundation review. I just got a lot of thoughts in my mind. I'm also doing like a boxycharm demo and review, and use some of those products in today's video as well. And so I have a few other videos in mind that I gotta do, so my mind was a little bit spacey and I wanted to do a look that was just kind of like really quick, still pretty but easy. I know it's nothing great, but I hope you guys enjoyed it anyways. It's a look to put up. So I apologize, but I'm hoping maybe next week I will do something a little bit more creative. I would love for you guys to leave your suggestions below, because I do always tend to lean towards these warmer looks. That if you have colors you really want to see me use or create a tutorial with, or even palettes or eyeshadows specifically, leave your comments and suggestions and let me know, and I will try to put something together next week that is fun and creative and different. I promise you guys. Yeah, so let me know what you guys want to see. With all that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so what I'm going to start off with is the shade Vibrate. I'm just going to take that on the Smith 232 brush. You could use any brush, but I'm just going to take this pretty much all over my lid, just kind of set my lid, just throwing that all over my lid, crease, and brow bone. Next, to deepen up the crease, I'm just going to go into the shade Heist, taking that on the Smith 230 brush, just gently placing that into my crease, kind of my transition shade here. Now just going back in with that first brush I used, no additional product. I'm just going to blend and diffuse that shadow out a bit more. Now I'm just going to go into the shade Strike with the Sedona Lace EB09 brush. This is just a tapered blending brush. I love it. I use it all the time. But any tapered blending brush will do. I'm just going to take this, focusing most of the color on my outer corner, blending slightly into the crease. You guys know the drill, I'm sure, if you're familiar with my tutorials, kind of what I always do, just deepening up that outer crease area. Alright, now I'm just going to go into the shade Inhale and bring that to my brow bone, and then slowly kind of blending down into my crease a little bit, just softening and lightening up the shadows that are placed and smoked out so high. Next, I'm going to go into this foiled gold shade called Pharaoh from Touch of Glam Beauty, which is an indie Etsy shop, and she was nice enough to give me a code to get 15% off if you want to check out anything from her shop. I've used a few of her products here and there on my channel. She has some really great highlighters and some pretty shadows, but this is a really beautiful, intense foiled metallic gold that I just thought would be stunning for this look. And I'm just going to be using a kind of more dense, flat brush to apply it to my lid. I find that her foiled shadows are a little bit tough to apply with brushes. They work much better with the finger, but this brush does a decent job at doing it. This brush is actually from PUR Cosmetics. Alright, now I'm going back into the shade Strike with just a small kind of fluffy blending brush. This is the Morphe M562, just to soften the edges of where I place that shadow, make it look more gradient, seamless, all that good stuff. Next up, I'm going to attempt some winged liner using this pretty Vulgar The Ink Black List Gel Eyeliner from, oh, as I already said, pretty Vulgar. I got this in my BoxyCharm kit box this month, so I figured I would give it a go. I'm not sure which brush I'm going to be using yet. I have two here that I might try and maybe switch between depending on how I feel it's applying. But one is the Beauty Junkies Pro Precision Eyeliner, and then the other one is the PUR Cosmetics No. 7 brush. It's like a bent liner brush. Came in a set. Not sure if it's available separately, but I'm gonna try to use one or both of those. We shall see. Alright, I like that. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one off camera. Alright, so this is what we have so far for the eyes. I am no expert at wing liner. I am very new to gel liner, so this was a journey for me, but I think it looks okay, so we're gonna go ahead and move on. I'm just gonna go ahead and simply take the shade Strike to my lower lash line, just really smudge it out, kind of bring it and connect it with the outer corner of my eye in that wing liner. And then that will complete the eyes before I move on to my face, which I'm gonna do off camera, and then I'll come back to show you guys completed look. Alright, and that's what we have so far. I am gonna pop off to finish the rest of my face and come on to show you the finished look. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do lashes or not. I haven't been in the mood to wear lashes, to be honest, but if I do, you guys know what I'm gonna wear. It'll be the PUR Cosmetics Bombshell lashes, just FYI. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna put on the rest of my face and I'll decide what I'm gonna do. It'll be a surprise for both of us. Alright, and for lips, I'm going to be using the matte lip gloss from Beauty Creations. This was a BoxyCharm collab. The shade is Sweetheart, but I decided just to wear it because I'm trying to demo some of the products from my BoxyCharm. Ooh, this has a really yummy scent. It smells like fruit, like a candy, like fruit candy. It's yummy. I think this lip will be a no-go. No. Alright, and that wraps it up for this look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, much love and hugs to you. Bye, beauty babes!